Hi, this is Shumana. Welcome to the Creative Mess channel. First of all, I am going to thank all of you for showing too much love and care. Thank you so much. In this video, I am going to demonstrate Anulom Vilom Pranayama, benefits, precautions and some questions asked by the people. Anulom Vilom Pranayama is one of the several pranayama or breathing exercise used in the practice of Hatha Yoga. Anulom Vilom Pranayama is the best way of balancing the three doshas in our body. Our body gets ill when three doshas are not in a balancing position. These are Vata, Pitta and Kapha in Bengali, Bat, Pitto and Cough. 3 means 3 and the meaning of the doshas is impurities. All these are present in the body of every people. The most important thing is which mudra we should use for this pranayama. The answer is 2 types of mudra we can use. One is Vishnu mudra or Mrigi mudra. Another one is the Vayu mudra. In this video, I am doing this pranayama with Vayu mudra. First of all, close your eyes and sit in Padmasana and rest your hands on your knees. Seal the right nostril with the thumb and breathe in through the left nostril. Remember, don't hold your breath. Now transfer the fingers blocking the left nostril with the middle finger and breathe out through the right nostril. Now breathe in through the same right nostril. Transfer your fingers again and breathing out through the left nostril this time. This is one cycle. You can also watch my other videos by just clicking on I button. And you guys can follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram also. All links are in description. Now some benefits of Anulom Vilom Pranayama are: practicing Anulom Vilom cleanses blood vessels and veins and makes the 3 main nadis, the Ida, Pingala and Sushumna, more supple. It increases mental and physical strength, thus reducing the risk of high blood pressure. It helps to cure mental problems, depression, anxiety, stress, tension, etc. Improves our immune system, so it cures general issues like cough and cold. An alternate nostril breathing technique is the ideal breathing exercise for a healthy heart. It is also known as Nadi Shodhana Pranayama, and it is the next level of Anulom Vilom. In case of Anulom Vilom, we inhale and exhale, but in Nadi Shodhana Pranayama, we hold our breath for a second or minute, then exhale. This pranayama also known for improving eyesight and maintaining a healthy skin. And this pranayama is excellent for healing and balancing the chakras in our body. Some precautions of Anulom Viloma are: try to perform this pranayama in the morning with an empty stomach. Many people have too much confusions between the Anulom Vilom and Nadi Shodhan Pranayama. So what is the difference between these two pranayamas? In Anulom Viloma, there is no need to hold the breath, whereas in Nadi Shodhan Pranayama, we need to hold the breath inside for few seconds. The next question is, in which position we should do Anulom Vilom Pranayama? The answer is, we can do this pranayama in positions like Padmasana, Ardha Padmasana, Shukhasana, Vajrasana, Siddhasana. How many times we should do Anulom Viloma? The answer is, we must do at least 60 times divided throughout the day. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Thank you so much.